February 27th. Today is the evening hours, and this is the highest volume contracts on unusual whales. It's also the highest open interest contracts on the right side here. Feel free to pause this and take a screenshot if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down now and show you guys the price targets from today here, February 27th. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 updated price targets from Rosenblatt, Needham, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, Truist, Trust Securities, I believe, Benchmark, and then D.A. Davidson. Take these with a grain of salt, but these are the price targets. You can also pause the video here if you want to take a look. You got 135 as a hold, and then 190, 205, 162 from Morgan Stanley there, 200 from Bank of America, 160, 220, all buy recommendations except one being a hold. Now let's go ahead and go on to the Webull here with the Nvidia chart. First, I'm going to be taking a look at the daily chart for Nvidia. We are quite down a bit today, down about 8%. And I think this doesn't even include the overnight hours at the moment, but overnight hours, I think we hit a low of about 118. And then currently here, just the after hours of the market just showing up as 121. So we're just going to go off of 121 here for this moment here. The 200 EMA for the daily chart is at 121.69, and we are below the 200 EMA. So if we don't get a recovery during Friday or Monday, I would just be very cautious on a potential dip back down towards potentially $96, okay? That's the most bearish case scenario in my opinion. I'll go ahead and state that first before I move into the bullish scenario. And I'm also referencing this based off of the Fibonacci retracement. $96 here might be the most bearish case scenario, and again, between 117 and 96, that would be a very good dip opportunity if looking to add shares going into long-term Nvidia or just dollar cost averaging. That's the range I would look to add more into Nvidia. Now, while we are above 117, but also below the 200 EMA, so between 122 and about 117, possibly if we dip down closer to our recent low here of 113. So let's get a benefit of the doubt. Between 113 and the 200 EMA, 113 to about 122 should be a dip opportunity in my opinion. If we don't break below 113 and we get a big reversal towards the top side, that's what I'm expecting now. I expect to see a big reversal in Nvidia, whether it's Friday or Monday, so long as we range between 113 and 122. Within those ranges, if we can respect those support levels, we should be able to see a reversal back up towards possibly 132. And I think 132 there should be a possible level to be tested going into either tomorrow, being February 28, or going into the first week of March. So watch for 132 to be tested again. And in the most bullish case scenario, going into the first week of March, during that week, keep an eye out for possibly 132 to potentially 142 price ranges. So as fast as you saw this dip coming, it's very possible that we might see a stair step back up towards our recent high here of about 135, 134. Keep an eye out for those levels on the bullish end going into the first week of March there for Nvidia stock. If you guys are in Nvidia, you want to join a community to talk about Nvidia stock or share due diligence, ask questions, you can join our Discord. Link down below in the description. It's free to join. And then if you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon. Patreon link down below in the description of the video as well, okay? I'm currently having 90% off discount. All live entries and exits on options as well as stock shares. Price targets are all going to be in the Patreon link down below in the description. Again, 90% off permanent discount as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. If you guys are holding Nvidia as well, let us know, are you bearish or bullish on Nvidia in the short term and long term as well. Let us know down below in the comments and turn on the notifications, like, subscribe if you want to support the channel. Really appreciate you guys and thank you guys for watching. Personally, I don't think we break below 113 again. I think it's possible that going into potentially February 28, you might see a little bit of more downside. But if anything, I do think either Friday, February 28th, or going into the first week of March, so Monday, we could expect to see a reversal. And I think we should see an overall market shift back up towards the top side. My prediction for Nvidia is that we get a recovery going into first week of March between 132 and 142. Thanks for watching, you guys, and let me know what you guys think, okay? We'll see you in the next video for Nvidia.